Hi guys, today we talk about how can you find your connected VPN on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click here on, you click here on VPN and device management here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on VPN here, and here you will find your VPN in this list. I have no VPN here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.